In this video, you will learn how to wire the myosmart system with the ErgoArm Electronic Plus. If you are using the ErgoArm with the myosmart control unit, both the elbow and myorotronic must be set to Program 1, which is the factory default setting. If reusing components that have been configured to a different program, adjust them accordingly. To set the ErgoArm, turn it off or remove the battery. If a myorotronic has been installed, temporarily replace it with the coaxial plug to set the elbow program. Start by setting the automatic forearm balance, AFB, to its minimum value. Then, secure the AFB lifter strap with artery forceps to prevent it from retracting. Next, remove the clamp plate. Now, unscrew the lamination ring containing the EasyPlug and remove the EasyPlug from the ring. In the next step, we will connect the cables of the myosmart control unit and the power supply cable to the EasyPlug. For this, we need the elbow adapter cable. Apply silicone grease to the 2-pin elbow adapter cable and connect it to the 2-pin cable of the control unit. Connect the 3-pin cable without the blue dot to contact number 1 of the EasyPlug. Next, grease the 3-pin cable with the blue dot and plug it into contact number 2. Connect the 2-pin cable of the power supply to the contact with the battery symbol. Now, grease the second end of the elbow adapter cable and plug it into the contact marked with the switch symbol on the EasyPlug. Also apply silicone grease to the cable connections and the lamination ring. Then, press the EasyPlug into the lamination ring. Make sure you hear a clear click to confirm it's locked in place. Next, screw the ErgoArm into the lamination ring. Insert the clamp plate and secure it with the screw. Position the coaxial plug so that the 2-pin contact is at the top. Next, apply silicone grease to the 3-pin cable without the dot, then plug it into the left contact. Grease the 3-pin cable with the blue dot and plug it into the right contact. Plug the 2-pin cable of the power supply into the 2-pin contact at the top. Secure the cables to the coaxial plug using the white plastic screw. Finally, use the lock ring 11S4 to secure the coaxial plug in the lamination ring. Connect the myosmart to the electric wrist rotator. Leave contacts number 3 unoccupied. Connect the motor cable to the myosmart. Next, take the 3-pin cable without the blue dot and plug it into the right contact number 2 of the myosmart. Plug the 3-pin cable with the blue dot into the right contact number 1. Then, connect the 2-pin power supply cable to the contact with the battery symbol. Place the protective cap over the circuit board of the electric wrist rotator. Cover the unused contacts number 3 with the red contact protector. Finally, secure the electric wrist rotator in the lamination ring using the lock ring 11S4.